Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. We are going to learn about in this video implement the input validation with Fastify JSON schema. So in the next coming videos, we are going to learn these two things. Second one, that is secure the password hashing with the bycrypt, and the last one, that is implement the rate limiting with the Fastify rate limit. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So input validation with Fastify JSON schema. Okay, so let's see how we are going to implement this. So let's go to the code. So here we have the Fastify JSON schema. So where we have the code, let me check validations. Okay, so this is that one. So we have to install the Fastify first of all. So let's go to the terminal and install npm i Fastify. Okay, make sure you have to install this one. After the installation, it requires HTTP errors. Okay, so define the JSON schema for the input validation. So body type should be the object required, that is name and the age, and the properties you have to set the name, the type also. The name is age, and the another one name, other one is age, and the name considered to be a string and this to be an integer. Okay, so route with the input validation, so slash validate. So here we are passing the schema, right? So name and the age we are getting from the request body. Okay, destructure it, right? After this we have to validate the input. If the type of name not equal to string and the type of age not equal to number, then throw a bad request and the invalid input. Okay, then process the valid input. Okay, so return message input is valid, name and the age accordingly. Okay, and then here we are going to start the server with this Fastify on the port 3000, right? And Fastify log everything we are going to log into the terminal. So here you can see that I think debug is true, logger true, right? So we are logging everything, and Fastify log error if something goes wrong and the start. Okay, so let's see how it is working. Let's have a go through of that one. So node validation.js. So you can see that the logging is started. Let's open the postman, right? Because it's a validate API that I am going to use. So here localhost 3000, we will make it validate, and post request body request we're going to send in the raw JSON format, and here we have the name and age, right? So here we go with this one. Okay, so name I'm going to put, if I put 1234 and the age to be like this one, so what will happen? Bad request body age must be a string integer, you can see that. So let's go and put the name over here, and what will happen? Must be an integer, so I need to put over here the integer, and here you can see input is valid, name and the age. Okay, so this is how, and here you can see that everything is logged over here, right? And this is how you are able to add the validation into your JSON schema with the help of the Fastify. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.